Hey guys, my name is Dakshi Gupta and welcome back to my channel Code with Dakshi. So in this video, I will tell you that what are the important questions of loops in Python using while loop and for loop. Okay, so let's start without wasting any time. Okay, so first question is multiplication. So how can we find out that what is the way of doing multiplication by using Python code? So in this I have to use first number equals to integer of input and enter the number. Okay, if my I equals to 0 for I in range of 1 or 11, because I want my multiplication starting with 1 and ending with 10, right? So print number into I equals to number multiply by I. Okay, so there are two ways of multiplication. Okay, first one is x and second one is this. Okay, so we have to use both in this. If I run this, I am getting enter the number, right? So I have to write one number in this. I am writing 12. Then as you can see, 12 multiplied by 1, 12. Then 12 multiplied by 10, 120. Okay, so I think this is very easy. You all can do this. Okay, let's go ahead. Second question is find even and odd numbers from the given list. Okay, so I have a list of numbers like 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77 and 88. First even list, odd equals to list. This is empty list. Okay, so for I in range of length of x, if my I, x of I percentage of 2 double equals to 0, right? Why I am taking here 2? Because with the help of 2 I am getting my even numbers. Else odd dot append of x of I. So in this I have to use append, right? So what is append? Why we use append? I told you in my last videos, so you can watch this. Okay, link is in description. Okay, so print enter even numbers even and print enter odd numbers odd. If I run this, I am getting my even numbers and odd numbers. Like my even numbers are 22, 44, 66 and 88, and my odd numbers are 33, 55 and 77. Okay, third question is write the prime numbers. So guys, prime numbers, natural numbers, even number, odd numbers, these are important, so you have to know about this. Okay, number equals to integer of input, enter the number. Prime equals to true for I in range of 2 odd number. If my number of I double equals to 0, so print prime equals to false and then break. If prime, okay, then print this is a prime number or else this is not a prime number. If I run this, enter the number. If I want my 88, this is not a prime number. If I want to check 44, this is not a prime number. If I want to check 2, this is prime number, right? My fourth question is write the names starting with D. Okay, so in my list, Dakshi, Disha, Sana, Diya. So in this, it's clear that there are three names which are starting with D: Dakshi, Disha and Diya. Okay, but with the help of coding, I want to check that how many names starting with D are there. So for name in A because A is my list. If name dot starts with D, so print here plus name. Why I am using here? Because if I run this, I am getting like here Dakshi, here Disha, here Diya. Okay, so if I want to check name starting with S, hey Asana. Okay, this is a D question, so I have to use here D. Okay, so after this, my fifth question is using while loop. If statement and str function means string function, iterate through the list, and if there is 100, print it within its index number. Like there is 100 at number 5. So in this I have my list. Actually in this question I have part 2. Okay, part 1 and part 2. There are 2 parts. So in first part I want my output like this. So I have my list like this, but I want this. Right. So for this, what can I do? My list is this: 10, 99, 98, 85, 45, 59, 65, 66, 76, 12. There are too many numbers. Okay, I think you can count them. Okay. I equals to 0 while I less than length of list, print list of I, and I equals to I plus 1. So guys, I think you have watched my last video. In that I told you that why we use I equals to I plus 1. Okay, so if I run this, I am getting 10, 99 and so on numbers. Okay, so coding is a fun, right? Coding is so interesting, guys. I love coding. Okay, so then part 2, list. This is my list. I have used same list. Okay, this is the list of part 1. Because this is part 2, so the output will be different. I equals to 0 while I less than length of list. If my list of I double equals to 100. Okay, why I am taking 100? Because I have to check, I want to check here what is the index number of my 100 is here. Okay, so print there is 100 at index number question mark. Okay, so plus string of I. Why I am using string of I? Because string is included in my question. Nice. Yeah. So I equals to I plus 1. Then my output is there is 100 at index number 12. If I count this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. No, I did some mistake. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so I forgot that in coding counting starts with 0. It's a little mistake, but this is mistake. Okay, so 0 is my 10, 1 is my 99 and so on. That's why my 100 at index number 12. Okay, after this my sixth question is factorial. So I am writing here number equals to integer of input. In this I am writing enter number, right? So I want to check my factorial, like I want to check what is the factorial of 4, 5 or 6, right? So I have to write here first enter the number, then factorial equals to 1, then for loop. In this I am using for loop. So in some questions I used while loop, and in some questions I used for loop. Okay, so guys, for me I think for loop is easy than while loop. So what do you think, which is easy? Okay, so tell me in comments. I want to make this session interesting. Okay, so please guys, tell me in comments please, is my teaching is good? Are you like my teaching way? Okay, so please tell me in comments guys. Then for I in range 1 or number plus 1, then factorial into 1, then print the factorial of number is factorial. Right, then enter number 4. Factorial of 4 is 24. Okay, if I want to check what is the factorial of 99. Oh my god, this is so long. If I want to check what is the factorial of 19,000. Oh my god, it's uncountable. If I run this, okay, 75040. Right, so my 7th question is reverse. You have to use reverse. Like I have number 1100, so I know that reverse of 1100 is 0011. So a equals to 1100. Then reverse for I in range length of a and 0 or minus 1. Why I am taking here 0 or minus 1? So guys, in reverse you have to use minus 1. Okay, so that's why I am using here 0 or minus 1. Then only you can get your reverse number. So reverse plus the equals to a of I minus 1. Okay, so guys, in reverse the main thing is minus 1. Note it guys, okay, it's very important. If an interviewer asks you to reverse, write a code like you have a number 11 22 1122 1144 and any other number, so reverse it. Okay, so for that you have to use minus 1, 0 minus 1. Okay, then print reverse is equals to then reverse. Okay, so reverse is this is very small number, no? Like okay, so reverse is 7877874778. Okay, then last question of loops is write a program to fetch only even numbers, even values from a dictionary. So in last questions I told you that write even numbers or odd numbers, but in this, in one dictionary you have to see that how many even number are there. Okay, in one dictionary. So dictionary equals to value 1 is my 60, my value 1 is 60, value 2 is 30, value 3 is 43, value 4 is 57. So how can I check that how many even number or odd number are there? Okay, so even is my list, as I told you before that if I want to check my even numbers, so even equals to empty list. Okay, then I have to use here for loop. In even using 2, I am getting here 60 and 30, as you can see here, right? So these are my even numbers. Okay, so I think this will help you guys. So please like my video, subscribe my channel, and follow me on Instagram, link is in description. I hope you all are good, guys. So thank you so much, and please tell me in comments, guys, are you liking this Python tutorial or not? Which type of videos you want? Please tell me, guys, please tell me. Okay, so thanks for watching, guys. Okay, bye.